Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a wavy shake effect for your clips in CapCut. So first, just add the clips that you want to edit. In this case, I'm using 2, but you can always add more. Then click on a transition box, click on a camera, and then select the shake transition. Okay, this one, and adjust it to around 0.3 seconds. Click on a check icon, then click on a second clip, go to animation and select the swing bottom animation. Okay, this one, and adjust it for 0.5 seconds. Now go to overlay and stock videos and add the white image. Okay, with the size, trim it for 0.2 seconds like this. Then go to blend and click on overlay. Okay, now put keyframes at the start and also the end of the white overlay, and on the second keyframe go to blend again and lower the opacity to 0. Okay, now click on a second clip, go to speed, curve, then select the flash in preset, this one. Click on the check icon and you are done. So this will be the result. So if you have more than 2 clips, you can just repeat the steps for the rest of the clips. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.